What you say? And me jelly way, me the way cockot, me the way you say, I saw for no more sano, or me a nyato for. Say, so for the also become myself. Bible can Matthew or say, blessed are you when man revile you and persecute you, and say all kinds of evil things against you, falsely for my sake.
Oh, okay. Too much GH Mianum ene adofono mema obibia akwaba ede ebagana wahala yedwumade yi so na se de mamunim no ensem no megimade se dia na chese de edi atrentwie ewo mayi mu a edi seye kano eno ena yedi ebebegu apono so epene pomasibre na ene de yi eye sofo a ono nam Ghana hanu wiasafa na nyina wo bia atinidi eye REV.OBOFOUR enyoma bi wo hono ma wo ya Ghana fo bi num esusu se enye ne kwan so a eno no efache a wache eye Elisha ene say report na wo sorry ya no akodu eye police station na wo report to enkofo no dodo na ehu ni se enye ne kwan so no because wakwakoye sofu idi anka wo say anka wontena se na wonye den onka na asem na so oda kwakọ pie ewo eye aposifo anim ehwe se wo mumum ene ne sankofo no endi no mu ni se enye ne kwan so a eno ama akwakoye asofo asemintimato ensa ede afre eye bishop Power oda eye Shilo Embassy International e worker so aweja say ye baba betwetwe enkomo e de afa eye obofour ensema ababeto apono su na ono so do onim efa ho no watimi e de atu edwana kokobo bie obetimi e de abono no so wo de egu apono so abusiafo ye twan ho aba ne ye ba ye de Bishop, memo okwa de abatuma GHS so. Mpombo ko de.
Ode ache.
Eda erade ase. Nenso so yasan age adwabie na chese nsem na ye baba brobro eso. Bishop, mi gidi ye pan se wate ye REV.OBOFOUR nsem bia onyoma bia wo ye no o mayim. Ana mimbo mu kakra.
Bo mu kakra.
Ayo. Ye na watchi de te ye ene se ye konfo agrada wasiu no. Ye wo hu ahi wasiu no ye nua bema Elisha Malope wo abrante ye oba bontin be ka say ye obofour wo we ye ma achi ade wo mu wuwi o machi ade ne won kone bei no so achi later on oba bontin be ka say de o kan nyina no o kan e de ape high because onim say ye obofour oyobi a nkrofo nim nti o kan no so de aginidi enche e bia na no so ye tin say wo de na court say ya sentence no 12 months imprisonment with hard labor na ya share say wonso akwakoye sofoi nyame nipa say obi ka bibi edeto so waba abonten waba ba pa achew ehu behia say still osa proceed say wo de na court ama ye de na tum do ye ne kwan so anu
what be say am kese pa me die wonso obi say o say ayese men nyame nipa to me no ka enye important say even in fact me respondable and yet very important and important mama say me responding to the pineapple say obi pese ogina wo so edigi din a osusu gina obi su edipie fa short
okay
oba be popular no it was through somebody
okay
what you say and so oba be popular and to obi su e was obi su gina wo so no no so di ye die popular and you say obi gina wo so ana so obi aka asem bia wo mpa I think say the best way is not to jail the person.
Okay.
And I say, be a no court. They say, why do you now only if you and say, oh, be quite fast over we knew. Not in the paratumo. My main story being chilled, mammy. I'm the main Canada, my main story there.
Okay.
Papa be trashy. Now, papa no not or your henny. But not a type of foam power because no pen more powerful. Take or shall say so or foam. To all in the boy be. The bodyguard na call for to one do call for no bodyguard na time protect ni ye na aboa ba ko car ne sa ba ko free ho to oba ye no na the bufu the bodyguard no say adeti na wo so ye sa me no na tin sa na ti ana e no be sa na kwa na say enti ofi said the aboa ne ye na ye na akwa de say ye mfa ma nyame e bia na nyame kra na ma ne ba sa so de ye mfa ma nyame ohene said the buafo na ohene bi say akwa de say me do to prison a ye de be ma nyame ana and also no problem say nyame person fa me to prison dia me ko asaba and now ohene ne to prison to ne to prison wie ye no ade a chi na ohene ye so sa ko phone back or kwa ko pe ni muaye hotel kum ne bi
okay
so lucky no wanya chance lucky no amba eno no na ye encrophobia omo wi nipa nam what you say ena eba afuo mu to me ba afuo mu no set at no afa bodyguard new one
okay
to me ba afuo mu no omo chi ni bodyguard wi no and to mo ba so ba wi obo hene no but omo hwe hene ne san na ne sa ba akwa tie firi so
okay
ti na on fata say omo wi no because omo mpe
so otosin
that is it
okay
and that day and omo ja hene so hene no kofie na ohene kofie no ko yi na ko ano efi prison ehon no ti ase say de nyambe ye bia no eye
oh okay
what you say me foto a me de ma ne say ka me de ka me nyanka ka onjai manenka say masuwe me de wa court me de we ko say me yes say te sia no wo sofo na nkasa you are not there to help o wa jama judge for the court for the police for e na edi usika
na sanko no akoye so for konko na wo sanko protect yes sanko for
that is what I'm talking about
no de wo moko
that is it what you say and if I say akwa we ayachi ni oyo oba sofo ye na botum 1 year e wo so tikra manyame that moment was stopping the crash for 1 year
okay
ni area no e bia nipa bi o win ni wie but you na ko tumu no nipa no win no be sa go back to where he was and I said she was and also so no engo yi mami what you say and me jele way me the way court me the way say asofo no mo ye sa no o mo ye nyatofo
omuye nyatonfo na eno kwampo empusu no amana anye na adwen se bia wo jayo na amana senso nsema wode eba ye sese wono so so report no dia ma police den no ode eto eye Ghana fo etirim
ena me kire ne se ono kra de o ye no kra be ma ono ane me sekura sro no but onim
oh okay
me ka no kra kire no because esa na wo be chichi ngofo ko tumu de ye na je se me ye adwuma wo wase no se me ye mistake la me ko
nti ebema suro aba
o de suro na eba onu ane na sole mo
na unhu ne se o yesa de we se de be ya wo mo munnim ne nsem no mo ma bonten memeka because onim se me be ka ye de be kwakwa akotum
me pa cho media me nim na sembi but se dia wo ka no ebetimi so aba ne saa what you say ebetimi aba ne se o yesa be de fie betu nkrofo bi so ema wo mo munim ne secret no it will be very difficult for them to come out and profile it out what you say and also the suro betu nkrofo bi trimu
okay
say me koka obejele me koka ode betu but me de ka me nim say so for de e also be kan wasem Bible can Matthew or say blessed are you when man revile you and persecute you and say all kinds of evil things against you falsely for my sake.
oh okay
Or twice or say rejoice and be glad for great is your word. Me on my neighbor come say obi say me or promote me. Because baby I will be creating me.
oh okay
The more you are talking about me, the more you are promoting me.
into who is so for no nsema eba bontin nyina no di promote o me nyankopon like nsema nyankopon because what the Bible say nyankopon asem ne say like nhra no wo mo aye be ka bibia fa wo mo ho na mo no nti
wo mo ye papa aye ka bone o na nya wo mo ye bone aye ka bone fatut
oh okay
cause wo man hwe here Odi betu ebi I was say be careful
there be say una wo cast and I wanted to clear the air me person
say odi wadin oba ho because wo person nya point wo ho timi so ma correct one answer odi me akoshe ho ade channel radio phone fra me say me can say
Bishop enti say no wo hwe eye obofom nensem a eba bonten nensem a eba ma demon baker ba ya waba be kan se wonda osori a ena moto na wo twi ni say eno ma grada ko kan ya wasiu no wo ho ko kan ya no susu wasiu no ne say ni no ma eba no wo ne say odi like ensem a ye de eto no so no enya no kra na asesen
ma me ntimi njaji say ye no kre ana say ye no kre demon breaker asema ko kan so tramboto so moto de obi abetimi atobi atraso what you say but say demon breaker ko ka say ohun ne so oye bibi and a demon breaker no so nye careful
okay
because e kwa ebe se onu so what you say tira me ka che say me de me hu ye no me nka say me hu ene no kure nyame no tisoro nim se ne amete what you say
Matthias bishop
because onya be ka say we aye say a na che say onim hu bi eno so na yama ne bu afu a mesre no me pa ne cho bebi edun no ma ma ne bu afu na obufu too much a o man sam apie gada fo onim well say yes say you respond to critics and criticism now and the man sam bebre apie de bia ne de bia no ama 40 ye won sam bebre
okay
what you say obo for say ka wasem a enye bone mo obi nka wasem hwe obenye so obi ka wasem de oye popular and e kana asem
oh okay
what you say
nti bishop obi aka wasem da
ya ma vo ka wasem but me respond to omo because me respond a and e be twi nsem na akwa akire but my respond in the case die what you say say me respond a mo social media for this abo de ma ready for us but me nka emba ne sa entimi pam no eye mate yo mate abra meti am say yes abra me o kama say na meti na ye bo me amane a me so eye normal obet me ka wasem one but obofo no ma me nka asem bi o ye me nua be ma on say me nua be ma yi me pera asem pa what you say but mo onkotie nkrofo bi ema ne life ankosai na wankofa de obi nim afamo bi because Manasseh say obofo twi Manasseh ekokota o twi kenade Japan ekokot listen to what I'm saying because ye kokota ye be say station ben no kotra ye ekasaye
okay
okotra na two kasaye okay na two for so be yo mano say adete no man nye enquiry sansa omo interview akwa no mame but ultimately dey now kenade Japan how you the owner of the TV station ne wo be pie bi na de ntia betu obofo no say ka otwa so because e say ya be do Kenya Japan adim it will create a beef between Kenya Japan and obofo one day you mark my words if he continue to do what he's doing because he will by all means arrest demo breaker so because send your all shot say no cross say or share Manasseh chiri dia
Wa reporting na
police dia good omuchi na is also going to say what he know
okay
what you say
okay
now no say enye no kra na say the boy ne kan enye no kra then the TV station is going to be held responsible for what they did now Manasseh will be free because he was being tolerated by the TV station
okay
and the hono can I Japan so ntrasi e ma the TV station sai onu so be sole and the tokwa ebe si obofo o de mark my word say no credit up to next week let's bet today obon say can Japan be respond e be tokwa
it's not just say no obofo na as onu a epia ne ho e de ko
that is how it is
okay
one say social media for the mumu sa na mote oh asemba ko mo be shed the pictures to kunamo the toffia mo the way mo be ya de na so be ma o sipe mo be ma de na ye de na se ne be ye de no na Ghana fo so e so ba se ne be ma no ye de no sa na oba so pe na no e na dokodoko sem ni December ba what you say na se ne mo social media for mote no me ye careful mo because mo sha se mo kasa ye de but na wie ye no wan ye careful a wako ka se bi etra make us obofo no nye careful
okay
because obedi sa social media for the bloggers for echi wa hwe ye be wie echi no what say oni mo kasa ye the story bi apie na say yo
the video
bi apio
or deck ye can
you see but automatically o hwe ade na ye koso na the same station but that time na anti
okay
but once again of work and that is how your enemy fight against you
okay
And that is how the devil also nyame any bonsam koye. Because the devil thought say onim nyame nkrofo, but the Bible said the angel overcame him with the blood of the lamb and the words of their testimony. Ti de oye bia na de woni mo twem. Ti me de me tunufu. What's the name kasaku?
No kasaku.
Because me tunufu. Because ade o ye ne de nsem oba. O hwe no mu yi.
Na wo hwa ade o ye ne betimi ama ne nsori ma na say betimi ama like na asori na ho aka na.
Mami, bia na onu de ye kase na so le beka. Obeka say nka because onim de ogina so.
Oh, okay.
What you say?
Okay.
But to me there say me hwe de obi o ye Kristoni a osum nyame a nyame sum wo na ni so no. Obegina o say me yes am so le begu. Entimi nye.
Oh, okay.
What you say?
Okay.
But say o to be cut to that extent na just say he is ready to fight.
Okay.
What you say? Na fight na e koso no. Let me tell the truth.
Okay.
After Kennedy Japan, it will go straight to Obofour. Mark my word. Sorry, after Obinim, it will go straight to Obofour. Mark my words. In some no can holding the na ya refer no, I check Kennedy Japan before.
No correct. Because a yes statement to be bad one thing so
what I say?
Afraid here or can you no.
Good. I said the before, but told him. And a police station issue there, but and in some and I'm telling you, sir, Obofour. Because Obofour see the father any Bedukobi.
No correct.
Bedukobi suni Kennedy Japan will fight.
No more Canada.
Tini yo. That's the see our father any Kennedy Japan will fight. Now also so obechi me madia. It means you are paying for your father. Oh, revenge. I take it back.
Take revenge, oh, papa.
That is the point. Ever critical future. And I want to make us a cool. Because in some question, say I shed a year and in December Ghana. Now, I saw for be real say. So big was yes, you can ask him. Yeah, yes, I was in a war.
Yeah.
Okasai. Stevie cries in a war. Me, Stevie. Yes, see a boy, Ankaso. But every children says, fit to well a crown. That's the meaning of Stevie. Fit to well a crown. And then I hear Paul. Yes, but you see Paul and Bantam. Or say they come for. Oh, the Akaya work I say, or me a minquala with their chum. Or me a minquala among Yakosu. Shall papa your friend Kantaka? I'm often at them sometimes on Casada.
Okay.
Papa is so mature, say he would never open. But my man can't be. Police force you are a mistake.
Hey, they say they do also.
Ghana police for a mistake. Papa, I saw for no more to also move and cook room. A mistake.
Am I legalizing a to the
yes, of course.
Hey,
a mistake. Opa, Ghana for status of more check. I saw for you now. They won't have I saw for the dose in the O2. Now 20 anymore. I see for why day. 2 a year come moi. Said the 80.
Confirm as will be bad. I could be defended.
What the defend no crime so? What the show to an obession to I know I say. Over 2 a day. And
on Tunkum or defended over to the brand pan.
Or the brand pan, oh, to no boss. There be only careful, so you're incredible to me a mistake that we couldn't. You're very careful because sending your man, I say, I saw for him a break to a Ghana. Oh, threatening. We say all can make what you have to me or some percent what you or me way back court or be biara become once and be able to police station. We actually some Crawford police for that. I bet you were too. Some Crawford now won't do it here. They are the same people who are going to sell you. So for about for me too. Minya. Make us some question. Me too so for
to no funny fancy.
Say, Sam Crawford now wouldn't a cheer. Papa, you what you yo, sister, you what you yo, Papa, you what you yo. They are the same people as on the mobile 7 see in China. On my piano prison says, say, right side to room. It should be very careful. Police force banano. Talu, secret. They have links. You're very careful, Papa.
Okay.
So for you're careful. Mean you are no. On you're very careful. They bet me a canon. And the chino watching Crawford, Elisha now watching no, a mistake.
To win his own Jana or my opposite for you.
Says you to me, Jano, so I go prison. Says you, I'll bet Jana is so appeal. What you say? Why not to me? But say I'm a commander that to me, this is so appeal. And also, they better take time.
Okay.
What you say? And they better take time. but once a big suit made Jana baby, I make can say, I saw for be this year. Because you know, what the best become was Maybe I make say most of the prophet, popular pastors in Bewu this year. I can't even bear form this year, no, very popular. Form, Bakuri, able to. Bakuri, remember the two, and no member the two, because you can't prophecy, no. Because a idea is some mechanic, it's working. What you say, on this year, a bear shocks, man, be more popular. Yami person, you crofobia every 2020, no. Now, ultimately, starting another group will be with 2021. That's all.
Okay.
What you are saying, and 2 years for now, so more break, and you will flow quickly so that someone can replace you.
Okay.
Tibigusuka, a sofa baby, this year. I can't put 4 popular men of God. 4. What you are saying on this year.
Okay. Bishop, you better was I was here for aha and did you make the Bishop to a year Rev.OBOFOUR baby now who they say, yeah, I feel said that or power can reshuffle be a coso. So for no one shall be no way to me conquer 2021 into 1 man and also so one must anchor boy aqua a day a maw not as a woman ni other what to say a bow or Ebusia for a bishop or then some no what years not as a were 2 a Rev.OBOFOUR a food a baby when they said they oh yeah no and shana at their sempa and the bedroom or their semum and a chicken if you want to say that our bar or boy a year so for binum and kaya efa a you what a cost on was so aba kebi na just say reshuffle ne de kwa na ekonyakopon obe yinkrofobi e de free one man obia e ne behu 2021 into one man na wada wo so wo ye bibia ensem fata na wa ma wani ada hono abusia for Ghana wahala dwumedi no aha e na ye di ebesie midin ene akuasi kapa obetime follow ye we Instagram page @GH_. Na emrepem ye beken kan madwenche no e de amamu otitine nya obetna eye menchen e ma ye twetwe nkomo e ye Bishop Order eye Shilo Embassy a ewo kaswa weja ebusia for makramo.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other Pris0n ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma pe a wo pe ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura